Beautiful, all wrapped up in some foil and ready to go. Kota's a takeaway, so this will be nice taking a walk and biting down. Ladies and gents, welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. Today we are making another traditional sandwich all the way from South Africa. This is deep roots stemming all the way back to the 1915s on estimate. We are making kotas. Now kota typically refers to a quarter loaf of bread stuffed with some delicious polony, some burger meat, your patties, some rations, some egg, chips, which is commonly our fries or deep fried potatoes, as well as some tomato sauce and cheese, and then topped off with another piece of bread. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking.
We say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but I pray we never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over.
It's time to prepare our good old chips. We'll get some oil going, get it nice and hot, then move on to processing our potatoes, getting them in the oil, get them cooked up nice, and then we'll start assembling our delicious kotas. Quite simple. I'm going to leave the skin on. And I want nice big chips. Normally I'll cut them a bit smaller and get them a bit more crispy. I don't enjoy them too crispy, so we'll leave the chips a bit bigger. Okay. About like that. That's fine. It must be nice and slop. Just dangle in the air like this.
Like everything that's bad in life, it's come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over.
Just a fun tip. If you are cooking chips and you normally like that nice salty taste, instead of adding the raw salt afterwards, you can add about half a teaspoon of salt to your oil while heating it up. All of that salt will infuse with the potatoes, and it gives a nice, crispy, delicious, salty flavor. Okay, so the chips are done, the meat is done, everything's done. We just gotta assemble it. Normally it's a bit quicker to do this. I've really got you long for them anyway. So that's it, so everything's done. Let's go ahead and assemble our kotas. Just excuse the bread. This is a loaf of yellow bread. It's got some other nutrients and some turmeric in it. But I couldn't find a normal loaf of bread. I was a bit late to the bakery and they were already sold out. Each to its own is exactly the same, the principle stays the same. So for our kotas, we'll grab a knife. So quarter loaf, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to stick to this size. Don't want to waste anything. Move that over there. And now to cut our kota, I'm just going to do this. Food is quite sticky. And the bread is still so fresh and soft. We're just going to pull out a little square of our bread. There we go. We'll push this to the side as I'm going to be making another one just now. We cut our little wedge of bread out. Now let's move on to adding some potatoes. Next up we have some of that delicious cheese and beef. Next up you can add some salt. I don't really want to, I'm adding some aromat. I don't know if you can get this everywhere, but try South African, there you go. Then next up we have some delicious polony. Then to add some liquid to this and some good flavor, got some delicious mango achar. Polony on top. Some delicious tomato sauce. Some of our leftover cheese. And lastly, some more of our delicious chips. Now, this is quite a big boy we got here. And then to top it off, we take our piece of bread, stick it on top, and this will typically be wrapped in like a type of like plastic or something like that. But there you go, it'll keep everything together. You can compress it a bit more. Just for the sake of the video, you guys can see what's happening on top of the kota. Beautiful, all wrapped up in some foil and ready to go. Kota's a takeaway, so this will be nice taking a walk and biting down on this. We got our bread, our potatoes, our beef patties, we've got our Russian, our chips, achar, some tomato sauce and cheese. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.